Ottawa City, Canada. Ottawa is the capital city of Canada. It stands on the south bank of the Ottawa River in the eastern portion of southern Ontario. Ottawa borders Gatineau, Quebec. The two form the core of the Ottawa-Gatineau census metropolitan area and the National Capital Region. As of 2016, Ottawa had a city population of 934,243 and a metropolitan population of 1,322,783, making it the fourth largest city and the fifth largest CMA in Canada. In June 2019, the city of Ottawa estimated it had surpassed a population of 1 million. Founded in 1826 as Bytown and incorporated as Ottawa in 1855, the city has evolved into the political centre of Canada. Its original boundaries were expanded through numerous annexations and were ultimately replaced by a new city incorporation and amalgamation in 2001, which significantly increased its land area. The city name Ottawa was chosen in reference to the Ottawa River, the name of which is derived from the Algonquin Ottawa, meaning to trade. Ottawa has the most educated population among Canadian cities and is home to a number of post-secondary research and cultural institutions, including the National Arts Centre, the National Gallery, and numerous national museums. Ottawa has the highest standard of living in the nation and low unemployment. Public domain information from Wikipedia on Ottawa. Thank you.